I'm going to show you how to drink 1 cup to help, excuse me, to relieve a cough. 1 cup of this every single day to get rid of your cough. Take a nice hot eucalyptus tea and you steep that in some hot water, drink that. That works really good for a postnasal drip and an irritation in the back of your sinuses. The other cause of a cough is a lack of calcium, in which case you would just take a little cup, maybe even a half a cup of kefir in the evening after dinner. Drink that. You will find that the coughing tends to go away through the night.